So of course you need Q-tips. You can get these on Dollar Tree or Family Dollars, Dollar General, whatever. You do need Q-tips to clean up any mess you make, or it just helps sharpen your eyebrows. Of course, I got the wax stick. They have actual eyebrow wax stick. You can find them online, probably in stores, but I use these. I'm good doing eyebrows, so I have no problems using these. The big ones is for your chin, or if you have a little mustache above that upper lip, you can get all the hairs from that. Of course, you got your eyebrow scissors. I got this from the beauty store. You got a eyebrow mascara brush. We also call it a spoolie. Is to brush up your hairs that's on your eyebrows, and then you just want to trim off the extra hairs that's too long with the eyebrow scissors. This is the solution I use. I got it from online. That's a liquid. Right here is just water. So when your eyebrows are done tinting, I just use a cotton pad and water to wipe off my brows. If you haven't already checked out my eyebrow tutorial, my eyebrow tinting tutorial, make sure you go check that out. I just uploaded, so go check it out. All right, these cups, I got it from Dollar Tree. This is what I use to apply, to mix my solution, liquid solution, and the eyebrow tinting solution. I mix it in this cup. For eyebrow waxing, you got the cloth. I got these from Amazon. I just cut them real small. I use that for eyebrow waxing and for the chin and upper lips. Just did my eyebrows. I cannot find the top, so I'm going to be looking for that. But this is the Bold Eyeliner White by NK. This is to outline your brows if you like a beginner, or probably even a professional. You just want to get that extra sharp brow shape. So that's what I use to outline my brows. And then I apply the eyebrow tinting. Of course, you got your razor to, clean up any of them hairs. I do not tweeze my eyebrows, nor do I tweeze clients' eyebrows. I just use the razor to clean up. This is the brow tinting solution that you will mix with this. What color is this? Natural brown. Even though it's natural brown, it's kind of light, very light. It looks like a reddish orange. So if you don't want your eyebrows too dark, that would probably be a good color. But I have many other colors, but I just bring this out for the video. This is a cute little bag my grandma gave me. I keep all this stuff in this bag, and I also have a treasure chest that I put everything inside also. And then this is my contour kit. Don't look at it, kind of crazy, but this is what I use to highlight underneath the brow. So of course you're gonna get that glam look like bow. And this is my waxing kit. My pot, I just bought it, so it's brand new. Waxed by Gigi. Let me actually take it out for you guys. So this is how the inside look like. This is the pot. Let me show you the all-purpose honey hair remover wax. Okay, I got this from Amazon. It's my second pot I use because it can get very messy, and you know one thing about sanitation, so that's why I bought a new one. So I love my babies clean, so clean. Anyways, you guys, this is my collections of my eyebrow tinting and waxing. If you have any questions down below, please let me know. And of course, you guys, let me put this in the recommendation. After waxing your brows, please wipe your brows off with alcohol. You just want to make sure you don't get no bumps on your eyebrows. Make sure you get all the wets off, because you don't want irritation or whatever. Okay, so just be clean. But yeah, this it. It's small little collection. I've been doing my eyebrows for years, and just what I've been using. All right, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave comments down below. Peace.
you.